Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to load a flat file to INFOCUBE. Um, First, what you have to do, you check your flat file. I'm using this as a flat file. In my flat file, I have 5 columns, which is client address, city, quantity, and sales. So this is a flat file I have to load to INFOCUBE. The next step is close your flat file, go to new system, SAP system, go to BI login, put your username, password, once you enter on the system. Excuse me. So put transaction code, which is RSA1, press enter. This is going to take you inside the system. So you go options, info provider, info objects, info source, data source, source systems. Go to source system. You can see there's a lot of files has been made. From the source system, choose a flat file section, which is that flat file. Double click on this. That's automatically going to take you to data source. I have already made application components on there, but if we have to create the new one, just right click on this, create application components, give technical name, you can give any name you can remember. So at the end you can see your components here. Right click on there. It's going to give you the option of create data source. Click this. Give your data source name, data type, data source, transaction data, master data text, master data attributes. Stick with transaction data because we are not loading master data. So transaction data, give and source system is flat file. Click this. So you come to this page. You have to fill up the general information first. Just put data source, DS, C, data source, points, testing. As much information you can give. Go to the tab extraction. Here, this is going to be by default. Go to file name, which is here, and click the file. I have my flat file on desktop. Click on desktop. The file I have shown you in the beginning. I'm looking for that flat file, which is this one here. Double click this. Headers and row to be ignored is always number one, the top header, and data format. Make sure you change to CSV file. Every flat file you create, it should be CSV, and data separator change to comma. So it's gonna divide the records. Make sure your flat file is closed, otherwise it's not gonna be load to the system. Go to composer, load example data, just press allow. Everything should be internal, and as you can see, client was locked, so I unlock that one. Go to fields, and now preview your data. You have to activate the data source first before you preview the data. Just wait for this to process. Just press allow, so you can see your data, and your data source has been generated. This is your data source here. Go to your data source which you have created. Now we have to create info package. Right click on data source you have created. You're gonna have an option of info package. Click on info package, give a name, save it, and schedule your info package. Just press start, and now you have run your info package. To check your info package, go to monitor. So you can see you got 14 records, and all of 14 records in info package in PSA. Now after creating info package now we have to create INFOCUBE. Go to info provider, go to your info area, and right click on the info area in the info provider. Look for the option INFOCUBE, click that, give naming convention, it's probably gonna be too long, but let's see. And create this. As I said before, it's gonna be too long, so cut it down. As you can see, you have a window of INFOCUBE. This is the fact tables, and this is obviously the INFOCUBE catalog where you have to tag the fields to INFOCUBE. Click on there, it's gonna give you the options. Catalog for flat clients, which is statistics. Go for statistics first. You go folder here, With regards to dimensions, it should be 16 dimensions. 3 is already used, which is data package, time unit, and just 13 you can create. You can use 248 characteristics in each dimensions. With key figures, you can put 233 key figures. Once once you open this catalog, drag down characteristics to dimensions, and then city first, as you can see. Now do address. All you have to do is just drag it down. Select this and drag it down. So select this, drag it down. Now you just have to do key figures. Do the same thing, but this time you have to drag it down to key figures order. So it's gonna go to key figures as well. If you have any navigation attributes, you can put navigation attribute here. I don't have any, so I'll leave it blank. Activate your INFOCUBE. So you can see your INFOCUBE here. Transformation hasn't been done, that's why it's have got drop down menu here. Always remember your naming convention of INFOCUBE because it's going to help you for transformation. So I got this here, which I'll write it down or just remember this. This video is especially for the beginners, so that's why I'm just going to the basics to just understand. The students who just started SAP BI, this video is suitable for them. So after creating my INFOCUBE, now I have to do transformation. So I'll go back to data source which I have created and right click on this. I already have created info package. DTP I need afterwards, so I have to create transformation now. Click on transformation, just select the object you have to do transformation with. INFOCUBE the one. Basically you just give an instruction to where you have to do a transformation. So I have to do my transformation in INFOCUBE. Now it's going to ask you the naming convention of INFOCUBE, which as a teacher remember. Once you press OK, now it's going to take you to transformation. These are the fields you have on data source, and these are the fields you have put in your INFOCUBE. So you have to do mapping. Mapping means that you have to map the fields, the right field with the right other right field. For example, clients should be go with clients names. Address should be go with client address. City should be go with city. Quantity should be go with quantity, and last is sales go with sales. If I activate this transformation now, it's going to give me an error because I haven't done the rules. So press the rules here of city first. Give the naming convention. Let's see, client city. Direct assigned, yes. Field is city. Characteristics 9. Transfer the value from data source. One is done. Now I'm going to do the same with Z clients addresses. Same direct assignment. I don't need to do formulas, constant routines. It's just direct assignment. And then do the same with transfer values. And with characteristics, the last one is going to be names of Z clients. Names again is going to be direct assignment. Transfer the values. Done. Now move yourself to key figures, which is quantity and sales. Double click this, press OK, and then now you have a quantity. Here you have to check this text assignment summarization, because INFOCUBE is good for summarization and DSO is for detailed data. You have fixed the quantity as each quantity. So it's asking me if I have to do more conversion. No, I'm okay with the each quantity, and press change values. And the last one is gonna be sales. With sales, clients sales, do the same thing, data assignment. I don't have to do any formulas for this as well, and I'm okay with the money wise British pound, so no convention. So after doing this, it's all ready. So for my transformation, I press activation. Once I done this, my activation has been done. If I go to info provider, under my INFOCUBE you can see this, there's no drop down menu still. Just press refresh. Now you can see the transformation, but DTP, data transfer process, hasn't been executed yet. Double click this, press OK, activate the DTP first, because you can see activate, no request yet. Once you do that, go for execute, and you allow your DTP to run. So your DTP run, you can refresh this and go back to your INFOCUBE. Just transformation done. Drop down this data source here and info package as well. So you have created your INFOCUBE. You load a flat file from your desktop to systems. I hope it helped you out. If you guys have any problem, you can see my other videos, or you can email me zishan_sabbi@hotmail.co.uk. Thank you very much.